The monastery of Montserrat, called Santa Maria de Montserrat, is an abbey of the Order of Saint Benedict located in the mountain of Montserrat. It is one of the most popular places to visit near Barcelona, Spain. The monastery was founded in the 11th century and rebuilt between the 19th and 20th century, and still functions to this day with over 70 monks. There have been roughly 80 monks in residence. The monastery is located 48 kilometers northwest of Barcelona and can be reached by road, train, or cable car. At 1,236 meters above the valley floor, Montserrat is the highest point in the Catalan lowlands and stands central to the most populated part of Catalonia. Montserrat's highest point, Sant Jeroni, can be reached by footpaths leading to the monastery. From Sant Jeroni, almost all of the Catalonia can be seen, and on a clear day on the inland of Mallorca is visible. We learned from our guide that the statue of Our Lady of Montserrat was originally carved by Saint Luke dating back to 50 AD while he lived in Jerusalem. The image disappeared for a long period of time until it reappeared in 880 AD. On that fateful date, shepherds watching their flocks at night saw lights and heard singing on the mountainside of Catalonia on successive Saturday nights, and an investigation found the statue enthroned on a ledge in a cavern. Attempts to take the statue in procession to the cathedral failed, since as they proceeded, the statue became heavier and heavier. This was interpreted as a sign that they should leave it in a nearby abbey. The Benedictine monks could not move the statue to construct their monastery, choosing to instead build around it. The statue's sanctuary is located at the rear of the chapel, where the altar of gold surrounds the icon and is now the site of pilgrimages. During the 9th century, the abbey was expanded to 4 chapels, and during the 11th century, a monastery was founded on the mountains of Montserrat, close to the abbey. In 1592, the original shrine was expanded into a basilica and consecrated to Our Lady of Montserrat. A strong tradition of pilgrimages developed around Our Lady of Montserrat and the shrine built to receive the statue. The statue is affectionately called La Moreneta or the Little Madonna and is 37 inches in height. The statue shows the baby is seated on his mother's lap, blessing with his right hand, holding a small fir cone in the left. Our Lady holds an orb on her right hand, her left hand protectively hovering over the shoulder of the Holy Baby. In 1881, Pope Leo XIII crowned Our Lady of Montserrat. The Black Madonna sits inside a cylinder of glass. Her right hand reaches through a hole in the glass. In her palm, she holds a globe that symbolizes creation. By touching the globe of the Black Madonna, many believe that the statue has healing powers and thousands of miraculous cures are credited to this sacred piece of wood. The lady sits behind this protective sheet of glass except for one hand, so only her hand we can touch. Irrespective of the origin, the reverence of the Holy Mother with dark skin lifts black and brown women up within the Christian iconology, connecting them to the Virgin symbolism of maternal sacrifice and love. Each year, thousands of pilgrims and tourists flock to the monastery to pay homage to the Black Madonna and to admire the stunning mountainous landscape surrounding it.